Faculties and staff members here at JCCC were paid a visit by Army National Guard. Here's the Captain Kinsey telling us about the event.
Here today at Johnson County Community College to kind of show both the incentives that the Kansas Army National Guard provides, and also give faculty and staff an opportunity to actually ride in a Black Hawk. It's a Black Hawk like the bird. It's a UH-60 model. It's utility helicopters.
Here is one of the response from a counselor who experienced a ride in an Army chopper.
It was really fun. I thought it would be bumpier and colder and louder, but it was actually pretty smooth. And it was fun seeing landmarks in Kansas City that I didn't know if I would recognize from the sky. Really pretty with the fog. It was super fun. It was my first time riding in a helicopter.
Overall, it was an interesting experience for students and staff. And this is Rohan Patel reporting from the Campus Legend.